What if I told you that you could make money while you sleep? That's not some fantasy anymore. In 2026, passive income has become more achievable than ever before. And I'm going to walk you through 10 legitimate ways you can start building real wealth without trading your time for every dollar. Stick around and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on strategies that can transform your financial future. Let's start with the most accessible option: dividend-paying stocks. When you own shares in established companies that pay dividends, you're literally earning money just for holding them. Companies like utilities, consumer staples, and real estate investment trusts send you cash regularly. The beauty here is that your money compounds over time. You reinvest your dividends and watch your portfolio grow exponentially. Even someone starting with just $500 can begin building this income stream today. Next up is creating digital products. If you have expertise in anything, whether that's photography, design, writing, or coding, you can create templates, presets, or courses and sell them online. The initial work is significant, but once it's done, it sells itself. Someone might buy your Lightroom presets at 2 in the morning while you're sleeping. That one-time creation effort turns into perpetual revenue. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Creative Market make this incredibly simple. Content creation through YouTube, blogging, or podcasting has matured significantly. You're not trying to become a viral superstar anymore. You're building an audience around a specific niche and monetizing that audience through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. The key is consistency and genuine value. 6 months in, you might make nothing, but 2 years in, you could be earning hundreds or thousands monthly from content you created years ago. If you found this video valuable so far, please like it. It helps me continue creating this kind of content. Real estate investment is more accessible than most people realize. You don't need $1 million to start. Fractional real estate platforms let you own pieces of commercial properties or apartment buildings with as little as $500 to $5,000. Your tenants pay the mortgage, and you collect the difference as profit. You're essentially using other people's money to build wealth. The passive part comes once the property is fully rented and managed by professionals. Peer-to-peer lending is another growing option. You loan money to individuals or small businesses through platforms, and they pay you back with interest. It's higher risk than bonds or dividend stocks, but the returns are typically much better. Someone might borrow $2,000 to fix their car, and you earn $600 in interest over the loan term. Diversify across many loans to mitigate risk, and you've created a steady income stream. Licensing your creative work opens doors you might not have considered. If you've taken photographs, written music, created illustrations, or developed software, you can license these assets. Every time someone uses your stock photo on a website or includes your music in a video, you earn royalties. The work is done once. The income trickles in forever. Artists who licensed their work years ago are still being paid today. Affiliates marketing deserves special attention because it truly rewards you for recommendations. You promote products or services you genuinely believe in, and when someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. The beautiful part is that you're not holding inventory or fulfilling orders. The companies do all of that. You simply create content around products you love. Over time, as your audience grows, so does your commission income. Building a niche website or blog is similar, but more long-term focused. You create comprehensive content around a specific topic, say sustainable living or remote work optimization. You rank in Google, attract organic traffic, and monetize through ads, affiliate links, or your own products. The first year generates almost nothing. Year 3, some of these sites generate $500 a day with barely an hour of maintenance monthly. Automated e-commerce through print-on-demand or dropshipping removes the inventory burden completely. You design a t-shirt, list it online, and when someone buys it, the manufacturer prints and ships it. You never touch the product. The markup is your profit. While competition is fierce, people build thriving businesses in this space by focusing on specific niches and exceptional design. Finally, consider membership communities or subscription-based content. If you have a skill or knowledge that people want access to repeatedly, you can charge a monthly fee. A fitness coach might offer an exclusive community with workout plans. A writer might provide daily writing prompts and feedback. People pay monthly, and you provide ongoing value. It's reliable recurring revenue, and your members feel like part of something special. Now, here's what separates people who actually build passive income from people who just think about it. They start before they're ready. They don't wait for perfect conditions. They accept that the first version will be imperfect, and they launch anyway. That initial effort is critical. You're not expecting to be rich next month. You're thinking 5 years ahead. By then, compounding returns from your dividend stocks have grown substantially. Your digital product has been refined and is selling steadily. Your website ranks for dozens of keywords and brings consistent traffic. Your audience trusts your affiliate recommendations. The common thread across all of these is that they require upfront effort but minimal ongoing work. You're essentially getting paid for past work. That's genuinely passive. Once established, you might spend just 5 to 10 hours monthly maintaining these income streams. The rest of the time, money comes in whether you're working or not. That's the dream, and it's absolutely real in 2026 if you commit to it. But here's the warning. Passive income isn't passive at the start. There's real work involved in getting these systems running. Most people give up after a few months because they don't see immediate results. Don't be that person. View this as planting trees. You don't see economic value for a few years, but eventually they produce fruit for decades. Your financial freedom depends on what you plant today. Start with 1 or 2 of these ideas. Don't try all 10 simultaneously. Pick something that aligns with your skills and interests. If you love writing, start a blog or create courses. If you understand investing, dive into dividend stocks and real estate fractional investing. The best passive income stream is the one you'll actually stick with long enough to see results. Success requires patience, but the reward is a life where money flows to you continuously, independent of your hourly efforts. If this video has genuinely helped you understand your options, please like it and subscribe for more deep dives into building wealth that actually work. Your financial future will thank you.